How to view Snap multiple times in Snapchat. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily view Snap multiple times in Snapchat. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open your Snapchat app and go to chat. So to view a snap multiple times, so first I'm gonna view a snap one time. Now to view it again, but remember you can only view a snap twice, not more than twice. So to view a snap second time, press and hold the snap and it will load. Now you can view it again. So this is how you can view Snap multiple times in Snapchat. Thanks for watching.